People tell me all the time, oh, yandele, this, yeah, no más, you know. Don't think about it, you know. Don't think about the memories, you know. Just fucking capture it and leave it alone, you know. They're like that, you know. They're like that, you know. And they try to say, you know, do this, do that, you know. And you're like, well, okay. Alright. Well, look. I got some, look, my relatives. I mean, who wants this book, dude? First of all. Final resting place. I mean, you think I want to, look. Thank you, family. But really, do I want this? You know, do I really want this? You know, to be. Thank you, everybody, and and to see, you know, what am I gonna do? Oh, that was nice. Yeah. It's not that great.